Hello and welcome back to the JForce IT Services Academy once again. This is the lesson 40 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. In lesson 39, we dealt with how to refer data from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table. So in this lesson, we are just going to continue and refer some other details of some other teachers from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table. Then we do some basic settings, then we end it there. So please, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you will be able to receive the notification and watch that particular video on this one and only educative channel. Don't forget to check the description of this video for more links on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word on this one and only educative channel. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Drop your comments in the comment section so that we will know your challenges, we will know the problems you are facing. Alright, so let's just get it started and continue referring data from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table without any stress and without any problem. So the last one that we dealt with was the teacher number 18. So we are moving to the 19th teacher here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to insert our equal to sign here like this. Then we move to the teacher's detail sheet here. We select 19 because we are working on the 19th teacher. Then you hit enter. So when you hit enter like this, we should be able to see this 19 appearing here. Please make sure that you position your mouse pointer or your cursor on the corner here. You position it on this cell here. You position at the down right corner here. Make sure that you position your mouse pointer or your cursor at the down right corner here like this. Then you left click and hold. Then you drag it to where you see date of first appointment. Please make sure that you don't move and you don't cut any signature section. Please make sure that you end it here. Just make sure that you do the right thing. Alright, so let's move to the 20th teacher here. So you insert your equal to sign and we come to the teacher's details here. Select 20, hit enter. We have 20 appearing here. Then position your mouse pointer well on this particular cell here. Then you left click and hold. Then you drag it to the last end like this. Good. So we are moving to the 21st teacher. We are moving to the 21st teacher. So insert equal to sign like this. Then we come to the teacher's detail sheet here like this. Then we hit enter. We should be able to see 21 appearing here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to position this particular mouse pointer on the cell here. Let it appear like the plus sign. Then you left click and hold. Then you drag it to the last section. Drag it to this side. Drag it to the last section of this particular page. Please, we have so many pages here. This from here to the first side. Let me show you. Many of you may not be getting these things well. So from this serial number here to the date of first appointment here is one sheet. So please make sure that you remain on that one sheet. Don't cross it to the other side. Okay, so we are going to another sheet. So you insert your equal to sign again. So this particular sheet is also going to belong to only one teacher. Okay, so we open the teacher's detail sheet like this. So I think this is 22nd. The 22nd teacher, sorry. This is 22nd. Good. So we hit enter. Let's check it and see. Let's check it and see if we are doing the right thing. Good. So we are on course. So this is for the 22nd teacher. So just select it like this. Position your mouse pointer at the down right corner. Let it appear like the plus sign. Left click and hold. Then you drag it to where you see date of first appointment on this same sheet. Make sure that you leave it on this same sheet. Don't move to any other sheet. So we have zeros appearing there. And I always tell you that the reason why you see the zeros there is that there is no details in the system for that particular teacher. That is why you see the zeros appearing there. So we are going to the 23rd one. So select the 23rd like this, or the 23 like this, then hit enter. We should be able to see 23 appearing here without any stress and without any challenge. So let's move it to this side so that we can be able to drag it to where we can see the date of first appointment without any stress and without any challenge. So let's just drag it to that section. Make sure that you remain on that same sheet. Good. So we have it appearing there. So we are going for the 24th one. So insert your equal to sign like this. Then we open the teacher's detail sheet. Then we select the 24th like this. So hit enter. You should be able to see the 24 appearing there without any stress and without any challenge. So let's just move it to this side here. Let's drag it to where you see date of first appointment on this same sheet. When you leave it, we should be able to have something like that. So let's do another one that is going to be the, I think, the 26th one. Let's quickly check it. Let's check it. 23rd, 24th. So that one is going to be the 25th one. So open the teacher's detail sheet here like this. Hit enter. We should be able to see it appearing here. Left click and hold, then you drag it to the last side. Make sure that you don't cross any sheet. Remain on that same sheet. Please take time and do it. Date of first appointment like this. Good. So we don't want this video to be long. We don't want these tutorials to be long. So we would like to end it here and continue to do our basic settings in lesson 41. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 41. Bye bye.